Hello all. I will start my introduction with a small quote. Be yourself but always your better self by Carl G. Yes, truly said. I truly believe in this quote that you should be a better version of yourself each and every day you grow. So this is Manjiri Harshe. I am 41 years old. I am a teacher by profession and I am proud to be a teacher. I have a 7 years experience in teaching. I can teach all boards, ICSE and CBSE primary section, right? So I have done my Masters in Commerce from Barkatullah University in 2004 and currently I am pursuing my B.Ed. My hobbies are teaching, of course, cooking, listening to music, and teaching is my passion. I love to spend time with my students. I love to interact with them, teach them new things, learn from them. Yes, you heard it right. It's not like only teacher can teach the students. Even we learn a lot from them. So I really enjoy my time spent with them, teaching them, talking to them, interacting them, and at the end of the day, if I'm able to make a small difference in anybody's life, I feel that I have done a perfect job. I am able to, contribute in anyone's life to make that child a better person and a great human being. So this is all about me. Now let's get into teaching. So before we start our class, as we all know that whenever we go to school or we are at home, we need to follow certain set rules and regulations, right? So similarly, there are some rules to be followed in my class too. So the first rule is be on time. Yes, children, you should always be on time. Being punctual is one of the greatest quality any person can have. Then sit up straight. When you are taking a class, you should ensure that you are sitting up straight. Your backbone should be straight so that your backbone will be even more stronger, right? And then keep your eyes and ears open. Yes, you should keep your eyes and ears open because if you are not paying attention, you could miss something very important your teacher is teaching you. And do not use your camera, mic or chat box out of your turn. Okay, and wait for your turn. Let the teacher complete the explanation and the teaching part. Then you are free to ask any questions, doubts, queries, whatever. Okay, so let's start our class today. Let's see what are we going to learn. Today we are going to learn topic multiplication. I'm going to teach you multiplication. Now today we will learn multiplication by 3. Now, what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication is adding the same number again and again. Yes, you heard it right. Multiplication is nothing but adding the same number again and again. Okay, that is multiplication. And that is the reason why multiplication is also known as repeated addition. Why it is known as repeated addition? Because we are adding the same number again and again. So that is why it is also known as repeated addition. Okay. Now, few more points to remember. Now, as I have explained you in the previous slide, that repeated addition of the same number is known as multiplication. An example is being written there. 6 plus 6 plus 6. So we are adding the number 6 again and again here equals to 18. The answer is 18. Now we cannot go on writing the numbers, again and again. So what we will do, we will see that we will write it in this kind of a statement which is known as multiplication statement. So here it will be number of groups. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 groups are there. So 3 groups multiplied by 6. So 6 is the number we are adding. So each group is having 6 objects in it. Okay, 6 objects in each group. So 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. Now the next point is the answer after multiplication is called the product. So with whatever answer we get after multiplication is known as product, and the sign used for multiplication is into. This cross sign is known as into sign. Okay, so these are the few points we should remember while learning multiplication, right? Okay, now let's get into the multiplication. So multiplication by 3. Let me show you a pictorial representation so that it will be easy for you to understand. So now what you can see here, here's a basket with 3 pairs. So one group of 3 equals to 3. Now how are we going to write the statement? So always when we write a statement, it will be the first number will be the number of groups multiplied, followed by the multiplication sign, followed by the objects in each group. So one group of 3 pairs, okay, equals to the product. As I told you, the answer will be 3. Okay, let's move on to the next. So now as you all can see here, there are 2 baskets of 3 pairs in each basket. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So here are 2 groups of 3 equals to 6. So what will be our multiplication statement? Number of groups followed by multiplication sign and then followed by each objects in each group. That is 3 objects are there in each group. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6 will be the product. 3 baskets now. So each basket is having 3 pairs. So 3 groups of 3 equals to 9. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Now 4 baskets. Yummy. My mouth is watering looking at these delicious pairs, right? Yes. So now there are 4 baskets. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups of 3 equals to 12. So always when we write the multiplication statement, children, as I told you, it should be number of groups, that is 4 groups are there, followed by multiplication sign, followed by number of objects in each group. So here in each group there are 3 objects because we are doing multiplication by 3, right? So 3 objects are there in each group. So 4 into 3 equals to 12. Yes, now similarly 5 groups of baskets are there, 3 pairs in each group. So 5 groups of 3 equals to 15. So 5 multiplied by 3 is. Then 6 baskets. So 6 groups are there. So 3, we are going to add 3 6 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 18. So 6 into 3. Now 7 groups are there. So 7 groups of 3 equals to 21. 7 multiplied by 3 equals to 21. 8 groups of 3 pairs in each group. So 8 groups of 3 equals to 24. 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24. Similarly 9. So 9 groups of 3 in each equals to 27. So 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. And finally 10 baskets. So 10 groups of 3 equals to 30. So 10 multiplied by 3 equals to 30. Recap of multiplication table of 3. Now I request you all to repeat after me. So 1 into 3 equals to 3. 2 into 3 equals to 6. 3 into 3 equals to 9. 4 into 3 equals to 12. 5 into 3 equals to 15. 6 into 3 equals 18. 7 into 3 equals 21. 8 into 3 equals 24. 9 into 3 equals 27. 10 into 3 equals 30. Yes. I hope you all Learn the multiplication table of 3. Now here's a small home assignment for all of you. You need to draw pictures for the given multiplication sentence in your notebook. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to how many? So now how many groups are you going to create? You are going to create 2 groups because the first number is 2. So the first number is always the number of groups. So 2 groups with 3 objects in each group. Now that object can be anything of your own wish and will. So draw 2 groups of 3 objects in each group and write the answer, write the product. What will be the answer? I'm going to check this in the next class, right? So all for today. Thank you so much and have a great day.